safety, stay seated with seatbelt securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer.
I don't think I've been on it without that plastic thing.
Did it work?
Oh, I've never been on it with
Good.
that.
Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait.
Amazing. No track.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
AT-ATs? Uh-oh. They closed the door. Oh, they're shooting. We're spin.
This escape pod's just below us.
Oh, they're spin.
Hurry! No, not up! I said down!
He said down. Oh, no. They're shooting.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction.
Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no
Anybody else?
Sound the alarm.
All our guys show up to save us.
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Here he comes. Uh-oh.
It's fine.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship.
Gotta get out of here.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Escape hatch. Hold on. Escape hatch. Pull it, pull it, pull it. Let's go. Pull it, pull it, pull it.
You guys really like cutting it close, don't you? Okay, you're clear.
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
What'd you think?
I know.
Right? Didn't it feel like we really just flew?
You're alive. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure.
We got the warrior, the winning music at the end.
Yes, R5, you too.
We made it. Thank you. Well, what'd you think?
Pretty good.
Isn't that fun?